What if you woke up tomorrow and decided that the next 20 or 30 years of your life were going to be your healthiest years yet? Not because you found a miracle supplement, not because you discovered some secret anti-aging treatment, but because you finally started doing the small things that science consistently shows can help people live longer, healthier lives. The truth is that most people don't wake up one day with excellent health. It isn't the result of a single decision or one perfect habit. Instead, healthy aging is usually the product of daily routines, repeated over months and years. And here's the encouraging part: it is never too late to start. Many adults assume that if they haven't exercised regularly, eaten perfectly, or prioritized their health earlier in life, they've missed their chance. But research tells a different story. The human body remains remarkably adaptable, even after 60. Muscles can become stronger, balance can improve, cardiovascular fitness can increase, sleep habits can get better, metabolic health can improve. The key is creating a routine that is realistic, sustainable, and built around habits that support longevity.
Today, we're going to walk through exactly how to build a longevity routine from scratch after 60. Let's begin. 1. Start with movement, not motivation. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to improve their health is waiting until they feel motivated. The problem is that motivation comes and goes. Routines last. If you're starting from scratch, don't focus on becoming an athlete overnight. Focus on moving every day. A simple daily walk is one of the best places to start. Walking supports heart health, circulation, blood sugar regulation, mood, and cognitive function. More importantly, it's accessible. You don't need special equipment. You don't need advanced fitness knowledge. You simply need to begin. Even 10 or 15 minutes per day can create momentum. Over time, consistency matters far more than intensity. Longevity isn't built through occasional heroic efforts. It's built through regular movement.
Make strength training non-negotiable. If there is one habit that deserves a permanent place in every longevity routine after 60, it's strength training. As we age, muscle loss becomes one of the greatest threats to independence. Loss of muscle affects balance, mobility, metabolism, and overall resilience. The encouraging news is that older adults can still build strength. In fact, numerous studies have shown that people in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s can improve muscle mass and physical function through resistance training. You don't need heavy weights. Resistance bands, light dumbbells, body weight exercises, chair exercises, these can all be effective. Aim for 2 or 3 strength training sessions per week. Think of muscle as a retirement account for your future independence. The more you invest now, the more you'll benefit later. 3. Build your plate around protein. Nutrition can feel overwhelming. Every year seems to bring new diets, new rules, and new trends. But when it comes to healthy aging, one principle remains remarkably consistent. Prioritize protein. Protein helps preserve muscle, supports recovery, strengthens the immune system, and contributes to overall physical function. Many older adults unintentionally consume less protein than they need. This often accelerates muscle loss. Try including protein at every meal. Eggs, fish, Greek yogurt, beans, lentils, chicken, tofu. These foods provide the building blocks your body needs to maintain strength and vitality. You don't need perfection. You simply need consistency. 4. Protect your sleep like it's medicine. If sleep could be packaged into a pill, it would likely become one of the most valuable medications ever created. During sleep, the body repairs tissues, regulates hormones, strengthens memory, and supports immune function. Yet many adults treat sleep as optional. The result is chronic fatigue, impaired recovery, increased inflammation, and reduced resilience. One of the simplest longevity habits is maintaining a consistent sleep schedule. Try going to bed and waking up at roughly the same time each day. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Reduce screen exposure before bed.
Make your sleeping environment comfortable and quiet. Quality sleep supports nearly every system in the body, and healthy aging depends on those systems working together. 5. Train your balance before you need it. Many people don't think about balance until they lose it. Unfortunately, falls are one of the leading causes of injury among older adults. The good news is that balance can be improved. Simple exercises can help maintain stability and confidence. Standing on one foot while holding onto a sturdy surface. Walking heel to toe.
Tai Chi, gentle yoga. These activities help train the body's ability to remain stable during movement. Just a few minutes of balance training each day can produce meaningful benefits over time. Think of balance as insurance for your future mobility. 6. Keep your brain active. Longevity isn't only about living longer, it's about maintaining quality of life. That includes cognitive health. The brain remains capable of learning throughout life. Researchers call this neuroplasticity. The more you challenge your mind, the more opportunities you give your brain to adapt and remain engaged. Read books, learn a new skill, practice a musical instrument, take a class, solve puzzles, explore new hobbies. Curiosity may be one of the most underrated longevity habits of all. A stimulated brain is often a healthier brain. 7. Make social connection part of your routine. Many people focus entirely on exercise and nutrition, while overlooking one of the strongest predictors of healthy aging: relationships. Research consistently shows that strong social connections are associated.
Imagine a typical day built around these principles. You wake up at a consistent time. You eat a protein-rich breakfast. You go for a walk. You spend a few minutes working on balance and strength. You stay socially connected. You challenge your mind through reading or learning. You manage stress through relaxation or time outdoors. You eat nourishing meals, and you go to bed at a regular hour. Nothing extreme, nothing complicated, just simple habits working together. That's what a longevity routine looks like. Building a longevity routine after 60 doesn't require special genetics, expensive supplements, or perfect discipline. It starts with a handful of habits that support the systems responsible for healthy aging. Move your body, build strength, prioritize protein, protect your sleep, train your balance, challenge your brain, stay socially connected, manage stress, and stay proactive about your health. Most importantly, remember that it's never too late to begin. Your body continues to respond to healthy habits at every age. The choices you make today can influence how you feel, move, think, and live for years to come. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content about healthy aging